So the game is as follows. Hands further away from the wall. The further away you go, the easier this is because you have more room to stop before the wall is there. If you start too close from the wall, you'll hit the wall pretty quickly, right? So back off the wall a little bit. You can go a little further each time you practice. Next week is further. The week after that is further. Those of you who are kicking up, can I kick up and pause? And then come back down. Kick up and pause. What needs to happen to pause? For me, it's fingertips. Fingertips are the brakes. And then come back down. As soon as you touch the wall, whoop, come back down, go again. The objective is stop before you touch the wall. Fingertips are the braking system. As you kick up, dig fingertips, find your brakes, and come back down. So you go up either L shape, stop, and come back down. The wall is lava, don't touch the wall, oh my God. Or heel to butt, don't touch the wall, oh my God. If you touch the wall, no big fucking deal. Come down and go again. But avoid, for this drill, avoid touching the wall and then trying to balance, and then touching the wall again, and then trying to balance. And that's not this drill. This is stop, and then come back down, okay? That's what's gonna build your capacity to start finding the brakes without the wall.
Want to learn to fly like a yoga ninja in record time? Click the link in the description to grab a free training and check out our signature program, Yogi Flight School. Thanks for watching.